Hey everyone, Ben Belack here with your 3-minute real estate recap for January 2022. Today we'll be reviewing housing market data in the city of Beverly Hills, not Beverly Hills Post Office. If you don't know the distinction between the two, just email me and we can dive right in. In January of 2022, we saw 32 new single-family home listings hit the market in Beverly Hills, which was a 146% uptick in new listings from the months before. We expect that, however, as sellers and agents alike like to hold listings back during the holiday season. Although more inventory in 90210 is a nice thing to see any given day of the week. Funny enough, a year ago, last January, saw the exact same amount of new listings, 32, in Beverly Hills. We saw 20 new escrows open last month versus the 14 of December, and we had the same amount of properties sell month over month. The median sales price jumped up 18% in 30 days' time, but I wouldn't read into that too much. We do see these types of big fluctuations happen when looking at month over month data in Beverly Hills because on any given month, a giant sale could occur, throwing off these measures of central tendency. The average price per square foot dropped down from December to January to $1,607 per square, which was in line with the average for 2021. And homes are still selling for 95% of their list price. As I predicted in my 2022 Beverly Hills housing market outlook, the Los Angeles market is still hot as we approach the halfway point of Q1, and I think it will remain as such until we see the first interest rate hike the Fed promised for March. That said, we still have an anemic level of houses for sale, with Beverly Hills having just under 4 months worth of inventory. So what does this all mean if you're a home buyer or seller in Beverly Hills? Well, if you're a seller, price per square foot is very strong, and homes are still selling for nearly their asking price. However, historically, 6 months worth of inventory is categorized as a buyer's market. So how long can this run really last? And for the buyers, there is light at the end of the tunnel. We're seeing more and more homes come to market citywide, and with interest rates still at historic lows, you have maximum purchasing power to get your dream home or trade up. Just be careful believing what you read about on the national housing market or what you're hearing at social gatherings. Los Angeles is sprawling and has a mountain range running through it. Each micro market has its own characteristics, own demographics, and factors affecting pricing and sales. So if you've been thinking of buying or selling real estate in Beverly Hills or the greater Los Angeles area, we'd love to sit down with you and have a strategic planning session to help you navigate not only the challenges, but also identify the opportunities that we're seeing in today's market. Every week, we release new videos with relevant real estate topics, real estate market updates, and home tours. If you want to see more market analyses like these, be sure to subscribe. And again, if you're looking to buy or sell in the Los Angeles area, you can always find us via the links below.